not. Come lay your burdens down. Come lay your burdens down. Oh, come lay your burdens down. You can win if you get in the fight, fight, fight. This time I'm picking you. This time I'm picking you. Oh, this time. So pack your things, 'cause you're coming with me tonight to the beautiful broken line in a dangerous paradise. Partying through the night, we dance like fools to the floor. Open your eyes and see, it's never quite like it seems. Pay attention to the signs, 'cause we're all beautiful broken lines. Let it all out. Pain that's crying inside you, you're falling down. Don't tell me that you'll not stop running away. You can be whatever you want to, have it your way, but you only get one shot. Come lay, oh, come lay, oh, come lay, oh. You can win if you get in the fight, fight, fight. 'Cause I can't, no, 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 I can't, no, I can't. So pack your things, 'cause you're coming with me tonight to the beautiful broken line, dangerous paradise, parties through the night. We dance like fools to the floor. As you see, it's never quite like it seems. It's never quite what you see. To the side, 'cause we're all to the beautiful broken line in a dangerous paradise through the night. We dance like fools to the floor. As you see, it's never quite like it seems. It's never just like you see. Attention to the side, 'cause we're all. Hey, hey, why you keep believing the lies? You tell yourself it's over, but you telling a lie. See you standing at a fork in the road, I know. So get up out your feelings and get ready to go. Let me introduce some people tonight. Haha, yeah, they crazy broken people making wonderful lives. Let me show you how to live instead of just getting by. It's hard, but it's better with someone by your side. You say you about to give up hope. Well, I hope you hear my voice saying don't let go. I know I've been there for a moment before, and it's hard.